Working with LLMs or large language models is simply magic, but this magic comes at a price. Developers have to assemble machine learning pipelines, they have to train their own models from scratch, they have to secure, deploy, and scale the software and hardware, but this results in very high costs and slow time to market. This is where Anyscale, which is an AI infrastructure company, has built this new service called as Anyscale Endpoint. Anyscale Endpoint is a new service which enables developers to integrate fast, cost-efficient, and scalable large language models into their applications using popular LLM APIs. This is what I believe AWS has been trying to build in the name of AWS Bedrock. And as I mentioned in a lot of my videos, we have been waiting for AWS Bedrock for months now, which primarily provides you an API access into a lot of large language models within the AWS cloud fleet. But we are still waiting for it. It is still in private preview, whereas now this Anyscale company has released this Anyscale endpoint, which you can use today. Now, this Anyscale endpoint enables developers use familiar API calls to seamlessly add LLM superpower to their own operational applications without any painstaking process of developing a custom AI platform. So, if you already are doing it, you must be aware of obstacles like infrastructure complexity, compute resources, and cost, and time, and lot of other things, which really limit and hamper you when it comes to deploying and using open source LLMs. Now, if you go to their website and then start, this is the pricing which you need to be aware of. Again, it's quite cheap as compared to the rest of the competitor. I would say that it is 10 times less cheaper than the competitors. And initially you don't have to pay anything, but then for every million token you have to pay $1, which is still good enough, I guess. But for example, if you compare the tokens of the models like llamas and stuff, you have to calculate this cost. Now, this is billed monthly based on usage, by the way, and you have to provide your card details in order to start using it. Another great thing about is that it provides access to continuous developments in the open source community. It is again very flexible and secure, and you can even run it within your own existing cloud accounts. And you can ensure security and flexibility, and obviously you can integrate it with a lot of your applications and other cloud services. So I'm very excited about this service. I'll be doing some more videos around it. And then this is a familiar API which you can use with these endpoints. So I'll be making a few more videos around it and I will share it with you. If you already are using it or planning to use it, please share your thoughts on it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.